Hey everyone, today we have something special for you. We're taking a look at the CELLBELL Desire C104 ergonomic office chair. Now let's move on to the unboxing. The CELLBELL Desire C104 ergonomic office chair. Upon opening the box, I was pleasantly surprised by how nicely everything was packed and organized inside it. All parts were securely wrapped. It's designed to give you ultimate comfort while working from home or in an office setting. So let's take a closer look and find out what makes this chair so great. So I bought this for only 4,000 rupees from amazon.in. So if you're planning to buy, then I'll put the links in the description, so go check out. So do use my link if you are planning to buy. That will be super helpful to this channel. The first thing that stands out about this here is it's a metal base which is adjustable in height for better ergonomic. It also has a padded seat cushion for added comfort, as well as a lumbar support system to help reduce back pain. It doesn't have an armrest adjustable, but it's super useful for support when typing or writing on your laptop or desktop computer. But the best part about this chair is that it comes with assemble instructions that are super easy to follow. So even if you don't have any experience assembling chair, you'll be able to do it quickly and easy with this one. But the one thing is that inside the box we don't get any warranty card or something like that. But when I just do something little bit research from a website, and it claims that it does have a 1-year warranty, but I don't know whether it's true or not. But I just quickly registered through the order number from the Amazon, but so it doesn't give any details about the warranty, and also it doesn't get email or something like that, so which is very disappointing about this chair. So keep in mind that after following all of the instructions step by step, I was able to assemble my new chair in no time at all. The whole process didn't take more than 15 minutes, which was really impressive considering how complicated some chairs can be to put together. Once assembled, I found that it was really extremely comfortable and stable. Definitely worth every penny spent. If you are looking for a comfortable ergonomic office chair that won't break the bank, the CELLBELL Desire C104 Mid Black chair is a great option. The chair is designed to keep you comfortable and supported even when you are sitting for a long period of time. One of the standout features of this chair is it is highly ventilated mesh back, which keeps you cool and prevents stiffness. The chair also swivels 360 degrees, making it easy to move around and stay productive. So here's my final thought. I will highly recommend the CELLBELL Desire C104 ergonomic office chair if you are looking for an affordable yet and also comfortable solution for when working from home or in an office setting or for the gaming. Of course, it's an easy to assemble, has adjustable feature for improved ergonomic, and provides a great overall comfort throughout the long work day. For also gaming, you can sit for long throughout this year, and it will not feel a back pain, which is really awesome. So yeah, if you like what you saw today, then please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on any future video from me. So I'll see you in my next one. Peace.